Namaste guys, in this part of the India series, we will look at the lost temples of India. The recent court case over Kashi Vishwanath Gyanvapi incident gave me the idea of covering more about the temples that India has lost during its long historic journey. The list begins with the Martand Sun temple from the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Dedicated to Lord Surya, this magnificent temple was built during the reign of King Lalita Aditya Muktapida around 8th century AD. The temple was an architectural marvel with no parallel in the Kashmir-Ladakh region. The temple was a classic example of Kashmir style of architecture and was a center of knowledge across Asia. The temple was, however, destroyed in 1300 AD by Sikandar Shah Miri as per the advice of Sufi saint Mir Muhammad Hamdani, who wanted to establish Islamic rule in Kashmir. The next temple in this list is Ram Janmabhoomi temple from Ayodhya, dedicated to Lord Rama. The temple was destroyed under Mughal ruler Babur in 1520 AD. Such was the scale of destruction that at present no one has any idea of the original temple, its architecture, design, wealth, and when was it built. In the 16th century AD, to add fuel to the fire, a mosque was built on the site of the demolished temple. However, recent archaeological excavations have finally proved existence of an ancient temple, and evidences like temple pillar, Amalak, Apsaras have been discovered. The next temple in this list is Kashi Vishwanath temple from Varanasi, dedicated to Lord Shiva. This temple is one of the holiest temples for Hindus and thus was one of the most targeted temples throughout Indian history. The original temple was destroyed by Ghurid rulers in 1194 AD. The rebuilt temple was once again destroyed by Sikandar Lodi in 1490 AD. The temple was built once again and was finally destroyed by Mughal ruler Aurangzeb in 1699 AD. The worst part was, every time at the site of the demolished temple, a mosque was built to prevent construction of a new temple. The next temple in this series is Krishna Janmabhoomi temple of Mathura, dedicated to Lord Krishna. At present, a mosque is built on the platform of the ancient Krishna temple. The temple was first destroyed by Mahmud Ghazni in 1017 or 18 AD. It was one of the largest and richest Hindu temple in the North India. Such was the riches of the temple that Ghazni had to hire hundreds of camels to carry the looted wealth from the temple. He ensured that every single brick of the temple was bulldozed to the ground. The next temple in the list is Somnath temple from Gujarat, dedicated to Lord Shiva. This temple was one of the richest temples in the Indian subcontinent. The temple was destroyed by multiple Islamic rulers like ruler of Sindh, Delhi Sultanate, Mughal ruler Aurangzeb. This temple has been destroyed more than 17 times as per the recorded history, thereby making it one of the worst suffered temple. Stay tuned to know more. Like, subscribe and share your own channel Indian Geopolitics. Jai Hind.